For tawa butter chicken, we have 1.5 chicken, ginger, coriander, green chili, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon basically of salt, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic, half cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, 2 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoon butter, 100 grams of butter. Let's get started with the recipe. Firstly, we are going to marinate our chicken. We're going to add ginger, garlic, salt, red chili, chili powder, cumin, turmeric, vinegar, and yogurt. Mix all of these ingredients together and make a rub. Make slits on chicken and take some of your rub and apply it to the chicken. Our chicken is now fully covered in the rub. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 4 hours and till the marination is completely absorbed by the chicken, and then we'll cook it. In a wok, we are going to add our butter. Let it melt, and then we are going to add our marinated chicken. Now we are going to add our chicken one by one. Add the remaining masala on top as well, as you don't want to miss out on flavor. Cover with the lid and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes till the chicken separates from the bone. Our chicken is now ready. We are going to start our second process. On a tawa, we are going to add our butter and let it melt. To this, we are going to add our ginger, and green chilies. And stir for a minute so they get a little cooked. Our green chili and ginger are a little fragrant. Now we are going to add our chicken and some yogurt. We have added a little bit of yogurt, and now we are going to add our chicken. Put as many as you can fit on the tawa. We are going to let this cook for a minute, and then we are going to change its side. We are going to add some coriander. Now we are going to change our side. Our makhni tawa chicken is now ready, and now we are going to go and plate it.